So we are yet back with another informative video. So today we are going to discuss one of the important queries that came to me, that was, so what are the learning platforms, online learning platform, in order to upgrade oneself, in order to upgrade the skills. So there are millions of platforms online, but very interestingly and very important to note is that you have to be really careful about choosing the platform, because you will get hundreds of platform, online learning platform. It has been so digitalized today that in a click of a button the information is there, but you have to be careful about what you are choosing. So today we are going to discuss on 3 online learning platform. The first one is Udemy. So Udemy is one of the best platform I would suggest, because there are hundreds of courses starting from like 400 rupees to higher, plus more than 5,000 to 10,000 rupees as you can go. There are qualified teachers, trainers, doctorates, professionals, graduate, millions of trainers. You can go over there and you can tune yourself into getting a new skills. Udemy. The second one is, if you have an account on LinkedIn, so there is a tab called LinkedIn Learning. So in there you can get free courses as well, also paid courses. It's a beautiful, professionally designed platform. Professionals are there. You can get to learn so much from there. Even I did some of the courses from LinkedIn as well. And the third one, last one, is Skillshare. You have a beautiful platform, Skillshare. So like I said, many of the YouTubers as well and many of the professionals, they upload the videos over there, and we can get to learn so much from there. So do not forget to tune into three platforms if you wish to get yourself or get new skill developed. Thank you.